You've waited for this trip. Imagined walking down Main Street, USA, ears on, heart racing, ready for the magic. But there's one decision that shapes your entire Disneyland adventure: where to stay. And when the dream is this big, you want a hotel that doesn't just keep you near the park, but wraps you in comfort, charm, and a sprinkle of Disney magic even after you've left the gates. Staying near Disneyland Anaheim isn't just about convenience, it's about maximizing joy and minimizing stress. Being steps away from the park means you can stroll back for an afternoon nap or catch the nighttime fireworks from your hotel balcony. It's the kind of experience that keeps the fairy tale alive long after the rides stop. Let's talk about the Disneyland Hotel. Iconic, nostalgic, and just a short monorail ride from Tomorrowland, this resort is more than a place to sleep. It's where Disney dreams live on in themed suites, hidden Mickeys, and legendary service. Think retro meets modern, with just enough pixie dust to make your stay unforgettable. For a luxurious escape wrapped in storybook wonder, Disney's Grand Californian Hotel and Spa delivers an upscale craftsman-style atmosphere, with private entrances to Disney California Adventure Park. Ideal for families and couples alike, its elegance meets enchantment, with warm wood tones and spa treatments to recharge after a day of adventure. Just across the street, you'll find the Howard Johnson Anaheim Hotel and Water Playground. This family-friendly gem combines affordability with fun, featuring a pirate-themed splash zone and park view rooms. Perfect for those who want comfort, character, and a 5-minute walk to the magic. Another favorite, the Anaheim Hotel. With its mid-century modern design and vibrant colors, it channels the charm of old Hollywood and offers spacious rooms, a sprawling pool area, and casual sophistication, all just a block from the entrance. For those looking for boutique vibes, the Element by Westin Anaheim and Hotel Indigo Anaheim are rising stars, offering modern aesthetics, excellent breakfasts, and proximity without the price tag of official Disney resorts. The key is balance, finding a hotel that suits your pace, budget, and style while keeping you close to where the magic lives. And no matter which option you choose, being just minutes from Sleeping Beauty Castle means you get more memories, more fun, and more time to say, just one more ride. Which hotel near Disneyland would turn your dream trip into an unforgettable story?